How to make a chipmunk feeder. Perhaps the most important thing to remember when making a chipmunk feeder is to keep the squirrels out by creating the feeder out of glass instead of plastic, which can be torn open by a squirrel. You also need the opening of the glass container to be small enough to prevent squirrels from entering. Get creative with your design and use recycled materials if you have them. Things you'll need: glass container, piece of wood or log, strap belt or leash, staple gun or hammer and nails, corn and sunflower seeds. Choose a glass bottle or container with an opening of approximately 1 3/4 or slightly smaller. Secure the glass bottle to a piece of wood or log using an old belt, dog leash or anything durable enough to withstand the weather and hold the glass in place. Wrap the strap around the glass bottle and nail or staple tightly to the wood. Fill with corn and or sunflower seeds. Hang either from a tree or mount in a shady spot on the ground.